Candid. New trends in English grammar and composition. Book 8.
Chapter 1. The Sentence. The commonest form of expression is through words. We use words in a proper way to express our ideas. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Now, read the following group of words. I caught the first flight. She behaves very nicely. India is making a rapid progress. Do not waste water. Each group of words makes complete sense. These groups are further named according to their nature. Kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentences. Then, interrogative sentences. Imperative sentences. Optative sentences. And exclamatory sentences. Let us know more about these types one by one. First comes assertive or declarative sentences. A sentence that states or declares something is called an assertive sentence. India is the biggest democracy in the world. Slow and steady wins the race. Always keep your word. Man is mortal. All the assertive or declarative sentences end with full stop. These sentences begin with capital letters. There are further 2 kinds of assertive sentences: affirmative and negative. Affirmative sentences. These sentences make a positive statement. For example, the boy is innocent. Bhavna is a hard-working girl. Negative sentences. These sentences make a negative statement. For example, the boy is not innocent. Bhavna is not a hard-working girl. Next is interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks question or makes an inquiry is called an interrogative sentence. Do you like to see operas? Where do you hail from? How many students are there in your class? Have you ever visited a museum? An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Imperative sentences. Imperative means urgent or essential, calling for immediate attention. Such sentences express a request, an advice, a command, or a forbidding. Please spare some water for me. Do not take fried items. Open the windows. Chase the enemy. Don't enter in this building. In these sentences, subject, you is understood. Imperative sentence ends with a full stop. Optative sentences. These sentences express some wish or prayer. May God save the poor patient. Forgive me, O my Lord. May you succeed in your mission. May God bless you all. May you get well soon. Optative sentences end with a sign of exclamation. Exclamatory sentences. These sentences express a strong or sudden feeling of joy, sorrow, wonder, or regret. What a charming scene! How foolish of me to say this. Hurrah! India has successfully launched the satellite. Alas, the old man has lost his memory. What a rash deed you have done! Exclamatory sentences have note of exclamation.